Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to build a pro-level task management system in Monday.com. Many teams use basic task lists, but a professional system helps you manage priorities, deadlines, and accountability at scale. First, design a clear board structure. Create one main board for tasks and group them by project, sprint, or priority. This keeps everything organized from the start. Next, use essential columns. Add status, people, priority, date or timeline, and effort columns. These give you full control over task progress and workload. Set clear ownership. Every task must have one responsible person. This avoids confusion and improves accountability. Use priorities properly. Define clear priority levels like high, medium, and low. This helps your team focus on what matters most. Add automations, automate status changes, reminders before deadlines, and notifications. This reduces manual follow-ups and missed tasks. Track progress with views. Use Kanban for flow, calendar for deadlines, and workload for capacity. Different views give better insights. Create dashboards. Combine boards into dashboards showing task status, overdue items, and team workload. This gives managers a real-time overview. Review and improve regularly. Analyze completed tasks and bottlenecks. Adjust workflows as your team grows. So yeah, a pro-level task management system in Monday.com is built with structured boards, clear ownership, priorities, automations, smart views, and dashboards. Follow these steps and your task management will feel truly professional. Thanks for watching. Do like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next one.